As summer is coming up and the long nights are ahead of us, you may catch yourself outside fishing a couple of times. In order to do this, you need to know how to set up a fishing pole. I'm here to show you how to do that today. Today I'm going to talk about the materials needed to set up a fishing pole, how to set a fishing pole up, and how it's beneficial to society. So without further ado, let's cast right in and look at the materials needed. If it's not obvious enough, you're going to need a rod. According to trails.com, you don't want too heavy of a rod. A medium lightweight rod is good for all-around fishing. You're also going to need a reel. Reels come in two different types, open face and closed face. Today I have a closed face reel, which will look like this. And then right here is what an open face reel would look like. You're also going to need a fishing line. Fishing line typically comes with the pole when you purchase it, but if not, you can buy wherever fishing supplies is sold. The fishing line is what you're going to connect the rest of your materials to. You're going to need a swivel. You don't actually need a swivel, but it's more convenient because you can connect hooks and lures on and off of it without having to tie it on your line and cutting it off each time. And hooks. Hooks come in all different sizes. Smaller hooks are used for bait fish. Bigger hooks are going to use for fish like bass and catfish. Sinkers. Sinkers is just a fancier term for a weight. Sinkers are used when you're bottom fishing, and it'll take your bait to the bottom so it's not floating on top. And bobbers. Bobbers are actually the exact opposite of sinkers. They're going to be used for fishing on top and stuff like that. So now let's set up the fishing pole. We're first going to put your line through. I already have that set up today, but it looks like it fell out a little bit. So you're just going to put it in through this hole maybe. Take it through the top. And then you're going to tie the swivel on. And the swivel, you're going to want to tie it tight so when the fish bites it, it doesn't come right off. So you want to tie it about 2 to 3 times. And it's easier if you make a bigger loop out of it and just cut the axis off. And you can pull on it to see if it moves or not. So you can use anything sharp, fingernail clippers I use just because it's way more convenient. Maybe. Okay. And then once the swivel's on, you're going to put your hook onto the swivel. Now the swivel, you guys probably can't see it because it's pretty little, but you just detach it right here. And then it comes out like that. Then you can hook anything. It doesn't have to be a hook. You can hook lures onto it as well. But today I have a hook. So you're going to hook the hook on. And after that, you're going to twist the weight on. I have a twist weight. Some people have the weights that you have to tie on. So actually, if you had a tie-on weight, you'd want to do that first before putting the swivel on. Otherwise, it wouldn't be possible to do it. And then you can see if it moves or not because you don't really want that to move a whole lot. And then next, you're going to put your bobber on. If you're fishing in a deeper area, you probably want it more up top. If it's more shallow, you're just going to put it closer so that way your bait's not sitting on the bottom. And then, so for the bobbers, you're going to press this on the top. You're going to take it through the hook a couple of times. Then you're going to reverse it, put your finger right there. Then push down on it and take it around a couple of times on top. And that right there is how you set up a fishing pole. Now that the fishing pole is set up, we can look how it benefits society. The first one, you're contributing to conservation by a whole lot. By purchasing a fishing license and paying special taxes, you're funding many of the wildlife and conservation programs. You're also contributing to non-game and education programs as well. And you're adding to the purchase of thousands of acres of public lands across the United States. The second one, it's a huge social bonding skill. It helps strengthen relationships with family, friends, whoever you go fishing with. And it's really stress-free. And thirdly, it's actually pretty healthy for you to fish. By being outside and being active, it helps make you feel better and encourage a healthier way of life. Driving to your local grocery store may be way more convenient, or to your fast food restaurant, but fishing can also help you burn unwanted calories and can be better for the quality of your lifestyle. And to recap today, I talked about the materials needed to set up a fishing pole. I talked about the steps of setting a fishing pole up, and I talked about why it's beneficial. I hope you guys learned a couple of things today about fishing. Thank you.
use. And